Jumping straight in without further ado, the living PC. So, the neurons in a human brain use spikes to communicate with each other. Now, if you can do the same thing with fungus, you can effectively have a computer. A spike is a 1, no spike is a 0, and all of a sudden you have bits. So, scientists have been starting to utilize this technology for that purpose. So, the living PC is using mycelium, which is a vegetative part of fungus itself that is used as a biological processor. So it's using the sugars converted as electrical signals and therefore powering electronic devices is something that will occur. The PC, it currently is limited. It doesn't have as much power as what we'd expect a PC to have. It's not going to be as fast as what we expect a current PC to have, but it's in its early stages, and a technology like this will continue to be refined, and they will explore new ways to better it, make it faster, make it something you'd actually want to use. So the potential to use this would be like your phone could be completely powered by fungus and therefore not even need a battery, which would be great for the environment, a good change that could happen. It could be completely biodegradable, even power entire buildings if they refine this enough, which is a great thing to see they're working on at least. And that's to say it might not go anywhere, but they're at least working towards other ways, and this is one of them, and they have it functionally working here, which is fantastic. So, potential benefits and drawbacks, I think, are pretty straightforward. It's slower than a current PC, way better than a current PC in terms of environmental use, and just you can't reuse lithium batteries, so they not fully recyclable. Fungus, you just grow more. So this is a great way to get around that. Should ethical considerations be taken into account when looking at something like this? I think when it comes to something like a fungus, people aren't going to be too upset. But that said, they should be looking into, hey, if this fungus isn't meant to be in this area, how do we make sure that if a device is lost here in like a river or cracked open, that this fungus isn't going to hurt or ruin the environment? That's something they're going to have to figure out how to deal with. Maybe the phone has to be fully enclosed for sure, and you have water resistance. Why not keep the insides in, and when exposed to maybe air, it has an issue. So maybe this has to rely on a different source to live than just regular oxygen that we currently breathe. But I think this is a cool technology that'll continue to develop further and further and be awesome.